उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे ही। उद्यम से ही कार्य सिद्धि होती है, मात्र चिंता से नहीं। वैसे ही मात्र स्वप्न देखने से ही सफलता हासिल नहीं होती, उसके लिए प्रयास आवश्यक है। So dear all friends, if you wanted to grow up with your skills, if you wanted to develop your skills, if you wanted to take your skills to the optimum level, if you wanted to develop your skills 100% today, then certainly give priority to learning, which is 10% of your entire skill development. Rest 90% it totally dedicates that how you practice and how you implement that one. That makes your skill to be 100%. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karjani na manorathe hi. That indicates there is no substitute to hard work. There is no substitute to hard work. If you wanted to grow and develop today, you wanted to dedicate your whole attention to that one. Struggle hard for that one. You know, my dear friends, there is a big difference between hard work and struggle. Once you say that I'm doing a lot of hard work, I'm doing a lot of hard work, but I'd like to say struggle is even more important than hard work. The amount of struggle that you do today to work hard, the amount of struggle that you do today to get your success in life, the amount of struggle that you give to all your efforts, that is going to bring success to you, my dear friends. That is going to bring success to you, my dear friends. Nothing else is going to bring success in your life today until and unless you struggle for that one. Yesterday, which was not possible with you, but today, something that is very much possible with you. It is all because of the amount of struggle that you have given to that particular work that brings the success. The amount of hard work that you have given to that work that brings the success. Struggle and hard work, there is a confusion in everyone's mind with regard to these two terminologies. Many people used to say that hard work, hard work, hard work is the only mantra to success. But I'd like to say, until and unless you struggle for that one, until and unless you try for that one, until and unless you dedicate your whole attention towards that one, the amount of struggle that you are taking to make certain work successful, that is even more important, my dear friends. Now you would ask me, Mr. Dev, can you please explain me what is the basic difference between struggle and hard work so that it could be very clear and transparent to all of us? Now let me just tell you, dear all friends, struggle is the amount of effort that you take. Struggle is the amount of attention that you give to any sort of task until and unless you reach to the optimum success level of that one. But hard work is working hard. Hard work is giving your efforts, your dedication, your entire concentration to that one until the work is done. In both the case, there is a thin line difference. But if you can understand the importance, you can understand what is struggle. You can understand what is hard work. There is a very thin line difference in between these two words. Struggle is the amount of effort that you give. Struggle is the amount of dedication and determination you have within yourself to complete a task. At the same time, if you consider hard work is the time that you give and dedicate towards that one. If today you have understood the concept, what I have brought in front of you, Udyamena hi siddhyanti karjani, na manorathe. With this important note, your speaker this side, Devashish Deo, is resting until the time I'll be coming up with certain new learnings in front of you. Thanks for watching me.